Hello everyone, this is John Gatas, your host and founder of Everything NT and owner of the Gatas Real Estate Team at Keller Williams Realty. You know, over the last couple of months, we have been working very diligently with the North Tonawanda High School Wall of Fame Committee. During that time, we've worked very closely with Oshier Video Productions that's been producing these fabulous videos that you've been seeing over the last few months. We've had the great privilege of meeting and interviewing some great people that have come through the corridors of North Tonawanda High School. And it is with great pleasure that today we bring to you the final product of a video that you and your families and your friends and your community should be very proud of.
We want to have proper recognition through modern, consistent-looking trophies and plaques that will be protected from the damaging sun rays that are currently harming those trophies and plaques today.
If our goal really is not just to showcase people that have gone through North Tonawanda High School in the past, but to inspire young people, I think we have to be aware that presentation is everything, because that's what these younger generations are being exposed to.
So it's the athletic and the arts all together, because in the community we are all one. And why not have people come in and see this and be more cognizant of our history, of all these people, you know, that are on the wall, what's their past, not just a picture on a wall.
Well, I think it's important that we modernize the Wall of Fame, because that's what students need to see. Their technology is the way to go now, and they need to be, we need to embrace the technology to let them see what's going on so they can see the past.
Everything has to be kind of changed and updated, and same thing with the Wall of Fame. I think it's better. We have so much, better stuff now. Better to keep up to date with everything.
When we look at technology, some of the pictures that are in place currently, they get faded. You're limited in scope by a still frame picture. I think if we look at something more automated, our ability to dig into our past, into our storied legacy increases, and we should be proud of this community and showcase all of the elements of it.
I think it makes great sense to make repairs and modernize the current Wall of Fame in order to keep up with the times and to continue to highlight the successes that we have and inspire our youth, our current students.
NT students can achieve in athletics, can achieve in the arts, should be something that's potentially inspirational, possibly motivational for the current students.
I think there are lots of people that would be interested in what the high school has actually created, what people have come out of it, what they've done in the arts, in the athletic worlds, and I think it's just important to show what professionalism and excellence came out of North Tonawanda High School.
You know, everyone, in order for our friends at the North Tonawanda High School Wall of Fame project to continue their mission to renovate and modernize the high school's Wall of Fame, your financial assistance is needed. Please consider a donation today and be proud of the many success stories that have graduated from the corridors of North Tonawanda High School. Graduates who continue to serve and contribute to the North Tonawanda and Western New York community.